Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Inoreader to Make.com. First, go to the Make.com website and make sure you log in into your account. Now, click on Create a new scenario to start setting up your automation. In the search bar, tap Inoreader and click on it when it appears. Then select the action Watch Articles if you want to track new articles from a feed. Click on Create a connection to link your Inoreader account. Now, click on Save and a window will open. Then, sign in using your Google account that's linked with Inoreader. Choose your account and click Continue. Then, click on Authorize to give Make.com access to your Inoreader data. Next, select the type of articles you want to monitor like Start, Broadcaster, or All Articles. Then, select the folder ID where your feeds are organized. Finally, set the limit for how many articles you want to fetch at a time. Now, your Inoreader is successfully connected to Make.com and ready to use in your workflows. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.